Hi everybody, I'm Saloni Sacheti, a lawyer turned social entrepreneur. My organization name is Bansuli. Bansuli is a social enterprise which works with a tribal group of artisans in Dang, a district in Gujarat. Bansuli means bans and hasuli, that is a pattern of necklace. So it talks about a jewelry made from bamboo, and it also is an acronym of Bamboo Artisan Socio-Economic Development Initiative. I just wanted to tell you about the Dang. So Dang is a beautiful district in Gujarat, which where 98% of the population is tribal, and people faces a lot of migration because there's no livelihood opportunity there. So there's abundance of bamboo there. So when I went there to eradicate poverty and to give a concept of regular income, we started this enterprise. We are making bamboo jewelry, rakhis, and home decor product.